Hi, thank you, Linda Tang, for the question. So the question was about question number 16 from the Maha Bodhi primary school. So how I use these value units to solve this question, I'm going to just demonstrate how I do it. So in this particular question, some pupils attended a book fair. Each of them bought some books. So we have three different categories. So 1/4 of them bought 2 books each. 3/5. Okay, let's just try and write that down, the information. So we have 2 books. There's a 1/4 of them, and then we have 3 books. For 3 books, there were 3/5 of them, and then we have 4 books. Okay, so for 4 books is the rest. The rest of the pupils bought 4 books each. So what I need to do is to actually try and make the denominator the same, because I need to find out what is the units for each one of them. Why do I do that? Because what we have here is actually the value. Whoa, what just happened? Reset. Okay, so what we have here is the values, and this is the unit, but my unit is not complete, right? So what I need to do is to make them the same. What do I mean by make them the same? Make the denominator the same, right? So between 4 and 5, I will choose 20. So this got a times 5, so 1 times 4 times 5, so this is 5 out of 20 times 4, so I get 12 out of 20. Now if I take 5 plus 12, there's 17, so those people who bought 4 books has got to be 3 over 20, right? So to make it easier, I would actually call this 5 units, 12 units, and 3 units, right? Because we can now compare all of them. Next. Okay, next is the part where we have to find VU. VU means you take the value times units. So the first part is 2 books times 5, so we get a 10 VU. Next, 3 books times 12, so that's 36 VU. And 4 books times 3, so that's 12 VU. Now what is the total number of VU? If you add them together, I'm going to grab my calculator very quickly. 10 plus 36 plus 12, so that's 58. So we have a total of 58 VU. Now this 58 VU is actually represents this 2668 books, right? So 1 VU would be, we just take 2668 divided by 58, 46 books. Now if 1 VU is 46 books, I can calculate, my god, what's going on with the internet nowadays, huh? Yeah, nowadays you get too much of this interruption everywhere. Okay, back. Alright, so 10 VU, so I want to find the number of books that each category has, because 1 VU represents 46, so this is actually 460 books, right? And then 36 times 46, 1656 books. Next is 12 times 46, so 12 times 46 is 552 books. Okay, so that's the number of books for each category. Now if you look at part A, the question is how many pupils attended the book fair. So if you want to find the number of pupils, you got to actually take the number of books, which is here, divide by, this is the total number of books, divided by how many books each person have. Okay, so if we take 460 divided by 2, that's 230 pupils with 2 books each. And next, 1656 divided by 3, 1656 divided by 3, 552 pupils with 2 books each. And then 552 divided by 4, 552 divided by 4, that's 138 pupils with 4 books each. Okay, so now for part A, yeah, after all this, right, we still haven't gotten part A. So for part A, you just have to add the number of pupils, 230 plus 552 plus 138, we get a grand total of plus 230, 920 kids. So the answer for the first one is 920, right? Value and units in action. Next, part B. So what was the total amount collected from the sale of the books to these pupils? Now you see, you have to look at 2 books, $28, 3 books, 35, and 4 books is 40. So how many pupils bought 2 books? That's 230, right? So 230 times $28 plus 552 times 35, final one plus 138 times $40, and we will get times 28 plus 31,280. What was the total amount collected from the sale of books to these pupils? Wait, let me double check. So 230 pupils bought 28. Let's check again. This seems like a lot of money. 6440552 times 35. 19320 times 40. 5520. Okay, yep. So that is how we can use value and units to find the solution to this question. Okay, that's all. Anyway, thank you, Linda. Thanks for the question. I would encourage anybody to just post in the comment, right? If you have a question that you want me to help you to solve, I'm more than willing to help you do that as long as I have the time. Okay, thank you.